labor is this much. So he said, yeah, he gave a good price. I'm like, all right. But it's not $3. It's a little under 3,000. The reason why is because he was saying 3,000 if he does the painting and the labor for the painting for everything. But instead of doing that, it's like I'm like we'll save on that if he doesn't paint it. So at least he'll have the sheetrock up, and then maybe her dad could paint or you could paint. Because painting is easier, right, for you?
Not really. It's not easy. Nothing is. When it comes to construction, you gotta get paid. You know how you gotta be careful when you paint. Make sure nothing is around. You could knock it down.
No, but I'm saying for you it's easy, right?
Yeah, for me it's easy. I've been painting for a long time.
So
It's a good exercise for your arm, for your leg, when you move
why is he
around.
going the wrong way? What's the wrong way with that car?
Probably she's a police officer.
No, it's a van. It's a work van.
Well, maybe you don't give it to them. Nobody's gonna call. Second chance.